All right, welcome back, third graders. We are starting Unit 2 today. So we're on Lesson 2-1. We're going to do our math message. So take out a separate sheet of paper if you have not and follow along with me. Okay, we'll listen to it as it reads to us.
Math message. Solve. Record your answers. Think about the patterns that help you solve each set.
Okay, so we're going to solve these, but we're going to think about the patterns. Okay, let's start with the left side. 9 minus 7. Well, if I have 9 and I take away 7, what is my answer? It is 2. So you should write 9 minus 7 equals 2. Awesome. Our next one is 90 minus 70. It says think about the patterns. Let's see. 9 minus 7. Oh, look, I see a 9 and a 7, and they're both followed by a 0. What is 90 take away 70? Well, if we think about this as 9 ones, right? 9 is like 9 single cubes. Let's see if I can get to eToolkit. Bum, bum, bum. And I want the number cubes. Here we go. Not sticks. I want. Oops. Stick with me for a second. Not what I want at all. Hooray. Oh, here we go. Whew. Think about them. Remember how we have the ones, the tens, the hundreds, and the thousands? Think about 9 as 9 ones, 9 little cubes. Thanks for sticking with me. Think about it as 9 ones. So how many ones is 7? Well, 7 would be 7 ones, right? 7 little cubes. 9 ones and 7 ones. If I have 9 cubes and I take away 7 cubes, I have 2 left. Well, think about if I had 9 tens, right? Because if I counted 10 9 times, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. That's 9 tens. I counted by 10 9 times and I got to 90. So that's like saying, that I have how many tens if it's 70? That's like saying 7 tens. Okay, so I know that 9 take away 7 is 2. So I'm left with 2. And we're talking about tens because there's a 0. I'm left with 2 tens. What is 10 2 times? 10, 20. My answer is 20. Do you see how those facts are basic facts? 9 and 7. 9 minus 7 helped us with 90 minus 7. I have a 9, a 7, and it equaled 2. I have a 9, a 7, and it equaled 2. But we added how many zeros? 1 0. See if you can use that pattern to help you with the next one. Oh my goodness, you might think that 900 minus 700 are really big numbers, but think about them as 9 100s, right? My flats, think about them as 100s, but we have 9 of them. And what would we think about 7 as? Well, we have 7 hundreds, right? If I count to 100 7 times, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. I counted 7 times, I got to 700. So, niños and niñas, boys and girls, 9 take away 7, right? 9 minus 7, 9 minus 7, we did that here, is 2, but we're not talking about 9 minus 7. We're talking about 900 minus 700. So I would have 2 what left? 2 100s. And what is 102 times? It is 200. Look at what we had again. We had 9, 7, and a 2, just like 972, 972. But here, each of them had 1 0, and our answer had 1 0. Now, our numbers had 1 2 zeros and 1 2 zeros. How many did our answer have? 2 zeros, 200. I want you to go ahead and try this right side all by yourself. It might look funny that our equal sign is in front because it was behind before, right? We still read it from left to right. 7 plus 9 is what? 70 plus 90 is what? And 700 plus 900 equals what? If it helps you, you can put that equal side on the normal one. But it's really saying 7 plus 9 equals what? What's your answer? What's your answer? Go ahead, put me on pause. Unpause me when you have your answers. All right, if you are back, you have answers over here. What is 7 plus 9? If you said 18, you are correct, right? It's like 7 ones plus 9 ones. 7 ones plus, oops, I did not need to put that, plus 9 ones. That means, what do we have here? We have 7 what? 7 tens, right? Because we're talking about 70. So we have 7 tens. And what do we have over here? We have 9 tens. Because if I count by 1 7 times, I get 7. And if I count by 1s 9 times, I get 9. If I count by 10 7 times, I get 70. And if I count by 9, or if I count by 10 9 times, I get 90. So we already said we know what, and I'll draw a picture. Let me use a different color. We said 7 plus 9 equals 18. So 7 plus 9 equals 18. But here's what we have to look at again. My answer is not 18 because I know 7 plus 9 is 18. 7, 9, 18. 7, 9, 18. But what do I have in each number? Oh, look at that. I'm counting by tens. I need 18 tens. If both of my answers have a 0 in the ones place, I need to add a 0. Oh, that's more of a boxy one. A 0 in a ones place. My answer is 180. Look at, I added a 0 in my ones place. Everything shifted over. So think about what you're doing for this one. I see a 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9, we're talking about 100s. I know this is going to be 18. Boys and girls, how many zeros do I add to the back of it? Here's 2. I'm adding 2 zeros plus 2 zeros. If they were stacked on top of each other, we would have 0 and 0. Oh, but look at that. I have 4 numbers. I have to put my comma in because now I have a thousands place. 1,800. Okay. Once you have this all finished, copy what I have. If you do not, take a picture, send it to your teacher. I'll see you at the next video.